I absolutely love these chocolate orange naked bars. They're healthy, super delicious, and I'm going to show you how to make them. 80 grams of dates, 80 grams of cashew nuts, 20 grams of dark chocolate, and 28 grams of raisins. So it's quite straightforward. What we're going to do is just get all of our ingredients and put them into our blender. So this is all blended up. Now we're going to put it into a bowl. If you do have the molds, you can make energy bars, but I don't actually have them and I don't see any point spending money on them. So instead we're going to make them into balls. So what you do is get a little bit of our dough and squidge it together in your hands to make a ball. Like this, and then that is one of our energy balls. Pop them into a bowl and then refrigerate for 1 hour before eating. So here they are. Now we can pop them into the fridge for about an hour and then they'll be ready to eat. And it's so much cheaper to make them yourself. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.